This video is sponsored by The Ridge. The Ridge is an awesome company that makes excellent bags, pocket knives, power banks, charging cables, phone cases, and my favorite, slim wallets. These wallets help me be more minimal and carry around less stuff, but they also allow me to carry everything that I need. It totally beats carrying around a bulky trifold like I used to. These wallets are very well made. They're super solid. They come in aluminum, carbon fiber, and titanium options, along with a bunch of different styles and colors. You can check out these and all of the other awesome products that The Ridge has to offer by using the link below, and you can get 10% off your order today with free worldwide shipping by going to ridge.com/EasyT. That's ridge.com/EasyT and use code EasyT at checkout. Hey guys, it's Zach. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, we're taking a look at the brand new OnePlus 7T. This, of course, is the successor to the OnePlus 7 released earlier this year. So we're going to start off with this really crazy unboxing experience OnePlus has set up for us here today. Shout out to them. This is very awesome. But this right here is the 7T box, and it's what you'll be getting if you decide to pick up this phone for yourself. And I want you guys to tell me just how slick you think this new box looks. And I always enjoyed the clean white boxes, but if you know me, you know red is my favorite color. And if you add some black, well, you got me. Other than that, the unboxing experience is classic OnePlus as always. You gotta love the attention to detail. Everything is nicely laid out and very clean. They also sent me a few cases that you'll be able to pick up for the phone. I always love these cases. And they also sent over a pair of their Bullets Wireless 2 earbuds. Now, I've already got a pair of these, and I actually really enjoy using them. And I'm sure one of you out there would too. So maybe, just maybe, we'll give these away. So I've had the opportunity to spend a little time with the 7T before the announcement, and I gotta say, this has been one excellent device so far. And the first thing I noticed is that it's just as big as its older brother, the 7 Pro. They share about the same footprint. In case you don't already know, I'm a big fan of OnePlus's 7 Pro, and the 7T is actually a lot like the 7 Pro, which makes it pretty intriguing. So let's talk specs. For starters, the 7T is packing a 90Hz display. Yes, thank you so much. You guys know I love me a high refresh rate. Very glad to see that here. It's a 6.55-inch AMOLED panel. It's still 1080p, but honestly, you can't really tell. I know I couldn't tell until I looked extremely close and confirmed it on the spec sheet. Either way, it's a really clean, crisp, nice looking display. Now the 7T doesn't have the pop-up camera like the Pro. It has that water drop notch, which is actually about 31.5% smaller than the 6T's notch, so that's a nice improvement. The 7T is rocking the Snapdragon 855 Plus chip, Adreno 640 GPU, 8 gigs of RAM, and 128 gigs of UFS 3.0 storage in the base model. It's got a 3800 mAh battery with OnePlus's new Warp Charge 30T, which is somehow faster, 23% faster than Warp Charge 30. OnePlus claims you'll be able to fully charge your 7T within 1 hour. We'll definitely be testing that out. So as you can tell, this phone is packing some serious speed and power, and as expected, in real world use, it's lightning fast and oh so buttery smooth. It really is a joy to use. Now it does come with some other great stuff like better haptics, a nice sounding dual speaker setup. It's got the in-display fingerprint reader along with face unlock. Can't forget the signature alert slider, which by the way is a little smaller this time around. And what's really impressive is the 7T is the first new device that'll ship with Android 10. That is awesome. And on top of that, of course, is OnePlus's Oxygen OS, which just keeps getting better and better. Not only does it keep getting better with all of the new tweaks and customizations you can make, things are more in-depth and better organized than ever, but you also get the best version of navigation swipe gestures you'll find on Android. These are OnePlus's take on Android 10's gestures, but better. Okay, so we have to address the elephant in the room, that elephant being that camera setup. There's absolutely no ignoring this thing. In terms of how it looks, I'm not too sure how I feel about it. I don't hate it, but I don't love it either, and you guys can comment what you think about it, but it does make for quite the large camera bump. It's just this big black circle on the back of the phone. It kind of reminds me of some Moto phones, and it especially reminds me of the Nokia Lumia 1020. Props to you if you remember that phone. This is definitely on the more bold side of things. Never settle, am I right? Anyway, we're looking at a triple camera setup, the telephoto, wide, and ultra wide trio we've come to expect nowadays. Now I haven't fully tested them out yet, but there are some nice additions here. First off, you can now swap between lenses while recording video, so that's nice for sure. You can now use the ultra wide angle lens in nightscape mode, that's cool as well. And then, well, this one was kind of unexpected for me anyways, but OnePlus added a macro mode which lets you get a focus down to 2.5 centimeters away from your subject, which is pretty insane, and it just adds to the overall versatility of these cameras. I'll continue to test these out for the full review, but you can definitely tell that OnePlus is really proud of their cameras, and they should be. They've come a long way over the years. So to close things out, let's talk price. The 7T will start at $599 and it'll be available on October 18th. Yes, $599 for this beast of a phone. Now, one thing that is interesting is that the 7 Pro starts at just $70 more. So it's like, which phone do you get? Well, we'll take a look at those two in a future video, but for now, the 7T is looking like a winner in my eyes. Let me know what you guys think by dropping your comments down below, and make sure you keep an eye out for my full review. But anyway, that does it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new. I will talk to you guys in the very next video, and thank you so much for watching.